The idea is just to take the surface down as much as possible, right, and take off that high gloss and make it more flat. So we start with 1,000, which is this one, move from 1,000 to 1,500, and then 2,000. And finally we buff it out. So once you buff it, that's what you end up with. But that's our original finish. So you can see the little dimples. This is our finished product. And polishing, I just used some CTI stuff for polishing. And I sit down and I look at the finish on this, knowing that it's not epoxy but lacquer, and I say to myself, that is absolutely gorgeous. You can do this too.